Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to enable subtitles while watching your favorite shows and movies on Tubi. Whether you're hard of hearing, learning a new language, or just prefer reading along, this guide will ensure you get the most out of your viewing experience. First, let's start with the basics. Tubi is a free ad-supported streaming service offering a variety of TV shows and movies. Adding subtitles can really enhance your watching experience. So, let's get started. Open your Tubi app or visit the Tubi website on your device. You can use Tubi on a web browser, smartphones, tablets, or even smart TVs. Once you've opened Tubi, browse through the Tubi library and pick a show or movie you'd like to watch. For this tutorial, I'll choose The Lewis and the Aliens. Then press the play button. Now look for the subtitle icon on the screen. It usually appears as a speech bubble or a CC icon depending on the device you are using. Click or tap on the icon. A menu will appear with the available subtitle languages. Tubi typically offers subtitles in English, but other languages might be available depending on the title. You can tap on the additional settings to change the appearance of the subtitles. Here you can choose your font size, that is small, medium or large, or even choose whether you want background or not. After you've chosen your desired appearance, simply click on Save. And that's it. You've successfully added subtitles to your movie or show on Tubi. You can toggle them on or off anytime during playback by revisiting the subtitle icon. Now you can enjoy your streaming experience even more with subtitles. It's perfect for understanding dialogues better or for learning a new language. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates from our channel.